Hi, it's Dave with Moov Pool Products. Today we're going to show you how to replace the screen on your Moov AI pump. To gain access to the electrical assembly of your Moov AI pump, start by removing the 4 screws located in the corners underneath the screen. Once the screws have been removed, start by loosening the cable going into the screen. Feed a little bit of the cable into the screen housing and slowly start to lift. As you're lifting, push a little bit more of the cable in so you can gain access. Now that you have gained access to the screen and electrical components, you can have a professional disconnect the electrical components and disconnect the screen from the board. To complete the screen replacement, start by disconnecting the digital input cable assembly. Then disconnect the Wi-Fi cable. Once disconnected, you'll need to remove the 10 screws that are located on the board. Each screw location is labeled. Once the screws are removed, you can now remove the screen assembly and replace with your new screen.